The MPs work of by Udri one want to say. Now I think the more media and some mobile and say more no some be saba one got some mongo because in India so be as I say engage the attention of Ghana. Say yeah, but this are the way on common. Any kind they say what are the facts? And now we know what I say. NPP, a new candidate, or I say no for your friend of Charles Opoku, I didn't election. Or you will be a say, and your Baba Tony Swaba. Or me, Nipa Miego, and I will quarter your Baba Tomo Swaba. And the Yaka say, your new candidate to be a friend of Charles Opoku, you didn't call parliamentary election. Your party delegate, a Yamayan. You need to a Bremono said the association and say a delegate for a Potwaba. Now, almost a way, my young fan uncle. The do Sabrenois, say you're not Pokuno, another free man, and Omo Yamaya, not a day, and local. And to me, Master Nipa on your candidate. I think the Equatorial Swaba, my bear candidate, they didn't do a Shankatan. Number 2. And Mel Ghana, higher dear about one I say, a man, and I say, dear governor, the 1992 Constitution.
Yeah.
Now, some 1992 Constitution, a chain, a Mrebia, Okubi, and I say, Nipedi, I can say, I yet or Mother Chichiri, or Ma, or Muku, or Mate. Sir, a Mreni, a share Constitution. Constitution na yedi eduma. Now constitutional on the matter na NDC for a reason. Constitution is nipa or person contest the parliamentary election. I say Otumiya Ghana ni. That's a 94-1A. I say also Otumiya Ghana ni. Now your Ghana ni we are only 21 years. Now only 21 years and also we are. I say Otumiya Anya Ayobia, the dean walk about contractor. Oko B, Sahako Somunwa, or other requirements. But the specific question I end is the query 91 and 94-1A, no, and actually. And Tiasma no Kai. Charles Opoku, I saw a papa. Then the vote to war, I think no far, but my contest. And the vote in near Saint North, then the vote to Saint Central, which my contact. The Fanisempo and near Saint Central. Now what Takwa in Soyum, which to me, Etina as parliamentary candidate. Ghana Mrapong and Chinoy. Etino, if I was a somewhere and this work of having. And you are so bad all. And I'm Fasugi Bang and the Ghana Benya Efisa. Akaka and me in a swarm Removia. And I say a NC Chatopoku the Quine. Say or back contesting. Then the vote war, I say no for. Then the vote to Kumasio, the vote to Himpa, which my contesting as of Embrabian Chiniquan. Until I didn't and I ended the voting with arguing. Now, Omako statement is Abaha Ghana. I said, yeah, baby, AC was no far. I have problem.
No, but Richard, sorry, so we share a year the parliamentary nomination form now. And no candidates ever feel now why certified to contest. Or saying the constituency do hereby nominate so and so candidates of the same constituency to stand for election as a member of parliament, and we hereby certify that to the best of our knowledge, he or she is qualified to be elected as such. Are you belaboring this very requirement now? Is stated on the form, no?
From Ben, our cousin.
But the parliamentary nomination form, no?
Parliamentary nomination form to be or there in our cousin. The NPP internal election, no, and I say.
The parliamentary nomination form by the Electoral Commission. Yeah, a candidate. What you saying? Yeah, and no, or they be signatures from other constituents to certify, say, or you're eligible to contest for that particular constituency, no? That's what I'm reading to you, sir. And no states.
Maybe any Ghana ha ya ye. I say nipa oba wono. Ena why in Ghana ha I be change constitution. It is obi control and character bi at the back. Say and also say Emra or no ya. And to me and the constitution can. Ena easy for clarification on the buy na me sure so okay.
Yeah.
And the assembly anywhere a problem. Enter it through the NPP. Any candidate, not any will be candidate. I say we what you know on Tiasia, NDC Papa, yes, say that discuss. And I'm election here in Kumauna say. Yeah, MP. Martin, my young and TM put the NDC for candidate in Okurano, and also Okumano on trouble. There is no problem. I'm ready and sequence. And this is one out of motion or Mudio Mufiasa. Number one, 2020 election. So I'm going to pay attention to detail. Like, I'm going to say I'm a candidate, Papa James question. Not me renunciation process and terminate here. The Guso or we. And at the time, I know filing. No, on yet Ghana near or allegiance to only Ghana. Or a Ghana, all right. But he owed allegiance to Canada. And no, how we about I see no for how somehow no affected intentions to develop they call as enough. And no, I say any for Montreal margin cost of no say. I'm a candidate of the some almost like they call election. James question no 8.9. I don't know me no Kata they say no. All legal burden done so to clear himself in the criminal prosecution. And you know, the uncalculated risk and this is for SAP. I was saying no. I'm sure no one because mean to me and her one. Nipa at the kind at the end process or your Ghana near or allegiance to Canada. And more than a coin of Fali. Ofali we no omo NDC for no I think kata everybody so no kura there he was allegiance to Canada more man and contest or NDC ticket so and I could be actually or to abani we no and I'm saying evidence that we holding to no obi ti amra I say the famra paso amra edi no and then that same mono Supreme Court on May 17th the assembly new year by I say year by election nipa ko ya odi ntoyi. But I got some of the neighbor that on also a most of the neighbor or some court case. And for the last 6 years, I've seen of any effective representation. I have by one casa and she share and he said, yeah, percent the development could be piano. And then to be boy, and your man, I think of the apple to be caught. And to what are the NPP bar, Yamin Pengu on we need it, but the fund is election 50-50 and the airport. Now, or try to pay a most of the neighbor. No, you are not taking the interest of acting of people into account. Because a company say, oh, we need not a charm, and then actually, I'm not prejudicing anything. So, Kokoti, now one could him, not as a Odin Chua. That's a Emra and a Chenaswa. Now, what's like creative wedding, Ama, I see not before. Say, it's almost another by election. Why in the Tenel Krumu yes idea? What is the wisdom in Sadi Wamoye? And no one someone ended the force and co. And yeah, at some Pukra, NC problem be anyone, no matter it is a problem or problem be anyone. I say no, MPP and a candidate Wednesday. Now, Empo or Koyeta so Pukwa. And maybe a teacher so Pukwa. So the contesting the vote or Suriname Kranwa. Now, a Oya Ghana territory or to me contesting money. The constitutional and Makwai. So to me, yes, maybe anyone before Fabia and over to me as to perceive the constitution. One man also to be contested.
Maybe also Richard
examples also. And yet even this example only. There are several examples candidates are contest here and you said or vote any consensus. But once who meet the remaining conditions, so free Kromo. So we have Kromo ni and after what track Kromo as ordinary resident for 5 years. Who meets that condition now? It is not a prerequisite that we go to war answer. What to make?
So maybe this is where the NDC differs in opinion. Osha, the last but one paragraph of their statement, or say, it is instructive to note that according to Regulation 22 of the Public Elections Regulation 2020 CI 127, voter transfer can only be effected for an ordinary citizen not less than 42 days to a public election. More importantly, transfer applications can only be made to the returning officer of a public election. Given the fact that we have less than 42 days to the by-election in Asin North, and the returning officer is yet to be appointed for same, any transfer of voters to Asin North will be unlawful, and same shall be fiercely rejected by the NDC. Is that what you've done?
Master, Assembly and sometimes more media no more surprising me. Medical one. Number two, any candidate, you quiet Amano. Nipa Miamu contest. I see then you call Obia, Yendimus on the Bewin and on the Bewin. Some more media and
we are not election. We don't run the elections, but I just want to find out what kind of due diligence, Richard. I just want to find out that the level of due diligence and those two candidates name to ascertain say me eligible to contest first for your party before they even go for the national elections.
Hold on. We are a serious political party.
Well,
we have not had the problem the NDC is having in Athens. The problem is NDC's problem to solve our party. The culture say, as a party, there is no law that bars any of the two people that have been approved by the vetting committee to contest. And I'm telling you that the claim they are making about Charles Opoku having his vote outside, that allegation does not stand in the face of the law. Sir, Emrano does not preclude him from contesting if his vote is not in the constituency. And I have given you example of instances where individuals have contested with their votes outside. They don't need to transfer it. So that situation is not happening. We don't need CI 127. It's not necessary. Now, to transfer anybody's vote. We don't need to transfer anybody's vote. He cannot contest unless his vote or constituency were. Yang vetting committee would have disqualified him. We would have disqualified him because he cannot represent the NPP. We're a serious political party. So why would we know that an individual want to represent him? Not yet the now, if I say the almost person which say, almost through friends like Chasopoku, Nachasopoku ba, obey 50 NDC Vitano. Now, why would we open it up for contest? I don't know Chasopoku no Kwaso, or no names obey we need to be a fan. That's not the point. The contest will be obey we need piano on the debako. But before about the Jina, election party mono. Ya shisho mukate who say Obia Mobi no na ya approve mono. Almost a bremu so much represent the MP. And TSB and ho. CI 127 no. We don't need to transfer Chasopoku's vote to Asenov for him to contest. He will contest successfully. Ayemra Abraham Hunkwan. And so me pese no very clear because on him. Ya shena ya de atamona e kana wa na ekọ na we kana we aka anya semo a ekofosi bebia o but akoye chuma menche no na akoye se obi aka say okay e bia na we na di we na na asemo ma na se we na asemo ta asemo we ntima me ka say no media no you should look at the merit of the case na mo ma hwe mra na ka say mra da me ni bi and chere I said Chasopoku, I did the vote for one that was to me. And the end is a seven of okay, no be some question. I don't boy ama United. The boy said, men are member to him. The chair might be a worker to when I be a Richard or come on the party. But the evidence before you, your statement, the statement of is, look my share, I can say, oh, Mona Mudi, or cast someone, I can say, oh, I said, we say, I deal with we are Osha. The airport, not a one conversation. Akonedi. And to the end of the boy and say, put through number to good depending. Then to me, and far as a party, will be a enemy there, and mercy requiring on to be in contest, and Franco. Yes, I waste your time. The banner, you can select Castle Poku. Now, election 2027. Now, easy for disqualify now. Now, NPP, you are not hereby. So, now, before you bako do pepper, so if you are bako disqualify no. Now, you will nipa me, you are not a nipa me, and I thought to be contested. I don't know far or more about to be a contestant. Now, you just have a factor to Pokwa or no, and Mara man. And see, I don't know who a quite dear so no. And you are supposed to be anyone to this work of us at Webber. Until an America said, no media got a Mundia because a Mranwa, a government election, or a plain and simple. Because what kind of Article 94 1A no, a plain language. And say what? He must be a citizen, he must be 21 years old, and he must be a registered voter. Now, you don't need to go to law school to understand your Mrawe. You don't need to. Plain is a different, so a garden or a garden and are fine. Or say, oh, this 21, we did 21 are fine. Or so I said, we deal a part one class. Question I said, Mr. Refer, that's a poco. We do about one class. We are satisfied. Then we do about one class. And as a party, you approve. Now, I'm going to be I did we anything or more how on the day.
Happy 98.
More how about the same what the will. I DSC as someone, and no acquire idea how. Say, I guess, Yanni, home Brano, and no minimum Brano, I don't know one train. They are calling disqualified as a Pokua. Say, ya higher home. Yadana or more a promo, a customer, and for more abra. As some Pankasada almost, as almost critic. Now, I say, Meno Cafe. Potentially, NDC could be committing us to, as a country, to committing financial loss to the state by saying, say, they want to bring the equation, not knowing the outcome. Are they free to criminal prosecution? And then the court is trusting here, just someone there called Bunkumana second part. Now, as I say, I should treat the Bemoir. As I say, I think, no, yes, I call it by election. Why is it can I why so now put here on Sakwana so I say to be by election. And then this before. It's only your master man, almost prayer with you are. That's almost a day and obia or bedding, legal bedding. I say a convictua. You cannot stand or you cannot continue to be an MP because you cannot be liable for any criminal conviction to be an MP. I think no more tempting Ghana for this anytime we have.
No a house, because let it be their cup of tea. So if they go and eventually it dawns on them, say, I mean, it was on a wrong foot. I know it's their own beef.
Now, what friend you are paying? And I say, enemy NPP wants them. Why don't you ask them, say, why is it their beef? Say, the candidate they voted near Yimoko. You cannot ask them that question, but do bizarre.
Why? No, why can't we ask them same? I mean, questions there.
I was telling you earlier what you should have done to help us. So you should have asked them, say, what is your problem with NPP? Having looked at the law, no, there is nothing that bad. I want to be able to say, no, now.
But I mean, Daniel Mensah bedin commenti. You don't know whether I've spoken to them or not. And you can't just draw that conclusion.
Well, the conclusion I made draw is that it may not only be Happy FM. I'm making this general assertion that media should be more involved in the conversation. Not like say the movie question. The evidence before you, look at it and assess the evidence. So share and this the statement the other. Adia move maybe no be to see the motive. But but because you are the intermediary, your questioning must invoke answers that help this country. So you consider the facts before you. So, the Constitution here says that one has to be a registered voter. So what is your problem with an individual whose vote is somewhere? And why do you think that MPP, who knows the law, that nothing stops the man from contesting, would go and want to bring that person's vote into the constituency? For what effect?
Mamina Richard Ahiagba Ase